Greetings, my name is Judith James Watts, a Jamaican residing in Jamaica. It is my pleasure sharing with you about my health journey before and after my visit to Uchee Lifestyle Center in Alabama, USA. In 2018, I was injured in a major car accident, and from there, my health took a downward plunge. I eventually suffered from hypertension, diabetes, heart disease, high cholesterol levels, obesity, high stress levels, and had constant visits to the doctors at least every 3 to 6 months. In 2023, I was at the peak of my health frustrations, taking at least 9 tablets per day and still not seeing any improvements in my health. It was during one of my visits to my cardiologist that I was strongly warned that if I don't change my current lifestyle, that I will be killing off myself. She said, "Nobody will kill you but you." This was a wake-up call for me. I, however, did not know how to change my lifestyle to improve all my health challenges. In September 2023, I made an immediate decision to take a break from work for health reasons, to get more help at the office, and to take a trip to Uchee, which I heard offered a health and wellness program, and I believed this would help my health condition. I did all the checks, got all my medical records, and booked my 17 days wellness retreat. I hoped and prayed to reverse my serious health challenges and be off most of those tablets. This was the best health decision I ever made, thank God. At first, it was very hard for me to adjust to the program at Uchee, but I survived. There was no meat, vegan meals, early morning wake-up bell, vitals taken daily, walking, morning devotions, daily health lectures, fasting some days, cooking classes, short breaks in between, exercises at the gym, meeting with lifestyle counselor, treatments, evening devotions, and then to bed by 8 p.m. Dr. Aidan Sanchez was a lifestyle medical physician assigned to me, along with Curly's, my lifestyle counselor. They took great care of me. I did my medicals, discussed my health conditions. They placed me on a health program, prayed with me often, helped with my teas and treatments using simple remedies, and much more. I lost 10 pounds whilst there and over 30 pounds overall since then. The lectures were life-changing. I learned about reversal of diabetes, hypertension, obesity, stress, sleep, heart disease, and so much more. These impacted me so much and led to changes in my lifestyle. From the Bible, Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 became relevant to me. It states, "My people suffer for lack of knowledge." I was also given a take-home lifestyle program, which I still use and practice. Since returning to Jamaica from Uchee and following their lifestyle plan of exercise, drinking water daily, getting sleep, deep breathing, losing weight, drinking my teas, meditation, changing my diet, fasting, walking within 15 minutes after meals, my blood sugar levels have improved significantly. My HbA1c, which used to be over 9, decreased to a record low of 5.6. The first time in many years it was normal. My other blood test results were also drastically improved. My cardiologist and doctor in Jamaica were amazed and very happy with the improvements in my health. Now, I have changed my lifestyle and learned the benefits of sleep, exercise, fresh air, deep breathing, trying to eat the last meal by 5 p.m., sunshine, 2 meals per day, fasting, drinking water, trusting God, and using both natural and simple home remedies like cayenne pepper, cinnamon powder, garlic, turmeric, chia, and flax seeds, and many more. It takes hard work, focus, and discipline to get healthy and remain healthy. Let our food become our medicine, and our medicine become our food. For all persons who would like to have optimum wellness, restoration of your health, reversal of your ailments, and a better life with a change in lifestyle, come to the Uchee Pines and Andrews SDA Health Restoration and Wellness Optimization Symposium. Learn and get new valuable insights into lifestyle changes, and if possible, visit the Uchee Pines Lifestyle Center. We at Leisure for Pleasure Holidays and Tours can also help to get you there. Be blessed.